morning, ma'am.
Good morning. One
Good
second.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, guys. How are you doing today?
Good morning, ma'am.
There's a slight error with my camera. I need to fix it. It's not standing properly. Let's see. Okay, you're able to see me, right? Why Milan just woke up from the sleep? Guys, are you able to hear me? Why no one is in their uniform? What happened, Fateh, Aishan? Where's their uniform? See, when someone is asking something, you're supposed to respond. That's not very nice. Aishan, where's your uniform? Aishan, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Where's your uniform?
My all like white trouser in half a shirt, so I can in ear morning so cold. So my mom said I am getting so cold. So my mom said put a thick dress. So I put like thick dress.
Tomorrow will you be able to come in uniform?
Okay, I will try.
Okay. Barira, please turn on your camera, Barira. Hi, Han. Hi, Amila. Hi, Milan. Everyone just woke up from a sleep. How was your weekend?
Ma'am, I was eating. Like I didn't eat any food.
Okay. Nothing happened in the weekend?
I went to my friend's house.
That's nice. At least someone did something. No one else? Nothing?
Same, I went to my friend's house too. We were playing Pokemon cards I bought, and I brought my iPad, and I had this game called Infinity Craft. You can make like anything you want.
Which is your favorite Pokemon?
You can like, yeah.
No, which is your favorite Pokemon?
My favorite one is 1 million card. 1 million card. I have it.
Pokemon's name like Charizard, Pikachu.
Eevee's sister and Pikachu.
Pikachu. I like Eevee. Anyone else? Do you watch Pokemon? No, Fateh? Why is it silent, Fateh, today? You guys?
Because of people, that's why.
If everyone is silent, so I'm going to make everyone stand up. Stand up! Stand up, stand up! Come on, Barira, turn on your camera. Barira, should I call your mama? She told me if anything happens, just directly contact her.
I did not have time to cook my food, okay? I will eat.
You cannot have it during assembly, you know that. That is against the rule.
At least 2 minutes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
120 seconds. You don't have to count.
6. I'm going to count.
You don't have to count.
Then I'm going to text your mom. 7, 8.
Okay, keep
Turning on within 10, 9. Hello, ma'am.
I am not here.
I resaid hello, ma'am.
You.
I can see you, everyone.
She's not your teacher.
I know. But please stand up. Are you standing? Why are you sitting? Aishin, come on. Stand up, stand up. Okay, everyone, raise your both hands like this on top. Raise your both hands like this. Now, of course, come slowly from the side, like it should be raining. Have you seen a peacock? Have you seen its feather go up? I don't see it. Only Milan and Aishin are doing it. What about the others? Very bad. Yes, Amila, good job. But they are not doing it. Haya, stand up. We are standing up. You're already late, Haya. One, two, three, 4, 5. Now everyone unmute. I don't want anyone muted today. Everyone unmute. Everyone.
Ma'am, I'm literally headache. Ma'am, I wish I could go back to sleep. I'm having a headache.
First, I'm going to. Barira, unmute. Barira. Barira, do you want me to start? Okay. Haya, how was your weekend? What did you do?
I went to farmhouse. I just
Guys, did you. Most of you attended the PPM, right?
I'm waiting for a question from you. Why were you absent on Friday?
You're waiting for?
I was waiting for a question that you would say. Why were you absent on Friday?
Why were you absent on Friday?
To me.
Why were you absent on Friday, ma'am?
Why
No,
was I absent on Friday?
me.
My mama was in hospital. She had an eye surgery. So, I was the bystander there. When people
And
get
on
everyone
Friday,
sit down. When people get old, they lose eyesight. So my mama was losing the eyesight from her left eye. So we had a surgery done called cataract surgery, and she needs a bystander. Someone has to be there at the hospital. Good morning, Jawan. I was a bystander. So as a result, I couldn't attend the class.
the
The
thing why
surgery
I
is
was
really
absent on
painful.
Friday was because my my mom gave birth to baby.
Really? Congratulations! Two babies, twins.
One.
Then another is you, right? You are also baby to her. So there are two babies. Jawan, are you sleepy? He just had a baby brother or sister. I don't know. Is it a brother?
Brother.
He just had a baby brother. Congratulations! Are you happy? Aishan,
He
what
is
about you?
actually at the hospital right now.
Ah, you're attending class from the hospital.
No, I'm at home. He's at the hospital.
He will be in intensive care unit, right? He cannot come. When will he come?
No, he's at home. We are just going to the hospital to get some medicine and coming back.
Do you like brother or do you wanted a sister?
I wanted a brother.
You wanted a brother. That's nice. You got what you want. That's so sweet. How many of you love your brothers or sisters? Okay, Haya, one. Fateh, two. What about the others? Jawan, three. Amila, four. Amila is thinking, should I raise the hand or not? Amila, you are a single child, right?
No, what did you say?
Ma'am, look what sneaky thing Barira did. She took a screenshot of her and just put it, and she went to eating.
Okay, I'm going
Ma'am,
to choose
I
our
literally
mother.
already noticed that. Then why would she be like this?
I'm going to tell this to our mother, actually.
Or ma'am, remove Baria from the class. And no, that's not
Let's
that's
try
okay.
that.
No.
Ma'am, what did you say? Why would you understand? I think.
Do you love your brother or sister?
How did you even Baria?
You have to focus in class, Amila. Okay, so we are going to inform to Barira's mom regarding Barira putting a screenshot. Ishan, you are late. Assembly is over. I have told you multiple times, Ishan, join on time. Yes, everyone can put the hand down. Yes, Haya.
You just told me to raise my hand, so that's the reason. But just sometimes my sister's annoying. Just sometimes.
My brother is annoying all the time, but still we love them, right?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. We like argue all the time with our siblings, but we still like them.
That's
How
true.
does that not change? I always
But with friends, that changes. With like siblings, it doesn't.
Kind of yes, because with siblings you're there with the same house all the time, and you have
The
to
thing is
talk.
that sometimes we fight. Sometimes my sister comes to me and annoys me. Sometimes my sister comes to me and kisses me. And now what is she gonna do next? I don't know.
Take your ice cream perhaps when you are eating it.
The thing is, when I eat something she cannot eat, she will come to me and say, ah ah ah.
Okay, people, that's it for today. Which is your first hour?
Club.
Which club?
What talent club? I'm talent club.
Okay, go to your club, people. Who
Ah,
won't have club? Anyone who doesn't have club here?
Ma'am, the first class is science. It's
Science club.
science.
Yeah.
It's science.
Wait, actually, is it? Wait, check the calendar. Check your guys' calendar.
No, if you have club
So
here,
yeah,
you
it's
have club,
science.
right?
I was mistaken. Science. Yeah,
Anyone
I
who
was
doesn't have a
mistaken.
club here? Is there anyone who doesn't have a club? No, right?
It's 2-1.
Johan has it, right, Johan? Johan? Okay, people, I have to go. I have another class. Ma'am will come. Okay, bye bye. Have a good day.
Bye. Bye bye.